Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we happen to have a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over your headlights and how to replace all the lights that are in this headlight assembly. Inside this headlight assembly we have right here, which would be a clearance or marker light, sometimes referred to as a parking light. That one is actually burnt out, so we're going to replace that. This one here is a blinker end clearance, so it's a double element bulb. It's inside of there to be replaced. This one right here is your low beam headlight to be replaced if you need to replace that. And this one right here is your high beam. So those are the four light elements that are inside your light headlight assembly on your Toyota Camry. And now we will go over how you replace each individual bulbs. This Toyota Camry, we've got our headlight right here. This is on the passenger side, easier access. So it's best if you undo your electrical connection right now, drop that out of the way, then turn this of a counterclockwise just about 45 degrees, and then pull this out, this whole headlight right here. Then you would get a new one and put it back in and put one back in. And this is an H11, and that's the light bulb that you would want to buy to put back in here, is an H11. So you can see it's got a larger tab here and two smaller tabs. And so you would line those up when you put them in out here, because otherwise it's not going to go right. So if you remember that it was a 45, and so that makes it so you can't put it in in another way. So just remember that you turned it 45 to the counterclockwise, and it was straight down when you took it out, or when it was fully installed. So that way you know you have a good reference of where to put it in. So you just put it back in, put the one in, the new one. Do your best not to touch that clear element with your bare hands, because it will drastically reduce the life of your battery, or of your light bulb, right? So that will drastically reduce it. Anyway, so you turn it back to the clockwise to tighten it into locking position, and then just push the electrical connector back together. And so that's how you would replace the low beam headlight on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.